¿Cómo jugar a la lotería? How to play lotería. First, gather your friends or family. To start playing, each jugador player receives a lotería game board, which is a square grid with different pictures or symbols on it. The game also requires a deck of lotería cards, which have corresponding pictures or symbols to those on the game board. One person takes on the role of the caller, or cantor. The caller shuffles the lotería deck and draws one card at a time, announcing the image or symbol on the card. As the caller announces each card, players check their game boards to see if they have a matching picture or symbol. If they do, they can place a marker such as a small pebble or un frijol bean on that space. The objective is to complete a predetermined pattern on the game board. Common patterns can include a straight line, such as horizontal, vertical, diagonal, four corners, or filling the entire board. The first player to complete the pattern and call out Lotería or Bueno is the winner. Once a player claims a win, the caller verifies that the player has correctly marked the matching symbols on their game board. If the claim is valid, that player wins the round. If the claim is incorrect, the game continues until a valid win is achieved. Have fun playing Lotería, and remember, you have the freedom to imagine and the power to create.